Namaskar, myself Chef Mohan Soni. Today I am going to make wood apple sharbat, squash of wood apple. Very simple, ripe fruit we have to take. Then we have to mash it up, the pulp along with the water, blend with the sugar. That's it. To do that. So now as I am going to make the wood apple, one wood apple will take. So wood apple is very useful food, especially for the summers, and normally it's come in the summers only. And Delhi will find very oftenly in near markets. The wood apple is give you good relief from the heat strokes, good remedy for many diseases or many cure of heat related problems. So I prefer strongly we must have a squash of 1 glass wood apple every day. And as this is, I'm going to show you so simple. So now we'll take one nice ripe wood apple. The same we'll cut into half. We have to take out the pulp. This seemed to me very good. The same pulp will be mixed with the water and nicely mash it up. So after mashing well, we have to strain this mixture, take out the proper pulp. So we have to remove as much pulp from this mixture through the water. Collect all the seeds. Press the seeds also nicely. Take out the extra pulp, whatever the coated with the seeds. Remove it well, so we can see very nice mixtures come out through the sieve with all the flavor and taste of wooden apple. बेल का यही मेन शरबत है. Now we collect all in one pot. So you can see only seeds are left in the strainer. All the pulp is squeezed out. Now this pulp will transfer in another jar to blend it well. If any threads or any pulp grains are left, need to be mixed up and blended with well. For the sugar level, we have to check. In fact, this is a very sweet wooden apple, but still we have to add couple of spoon of sugars. Sugar quantity is optional, can be reduced or can be increased as per the taste or liking disliking of sugar. So here I am using all grain sugars, the home grain sugar, because I am blending. This will be dissolved very easily during the blender or blending. Just few minutes of blending. Now sharbat is ready, squash ready to pour out in the glasses. So now as you seen, we pour out in the glasses. Now the special, my recommendation, as you can say that a tip, we can use even the shell also, look very realistic, very natural, serving itself. We have very nice proper half of the shells of wooden apple, which can be used itself as a serving, and this is really look fantastic, very appealing presentations, very rare. So let's enjoy the squash of wooden apple. Summer is healthy and delicious, which will be help you to cut down your heat strokes, cut down the heat of the bodies to be reduced in control, and very enjoyable dish. I hope you learn very well, and this is the only little trick in that we have to be very careful when we will deal with the very bitter seeds. So when we taking out the pulp from the sievers, so we have to use the proper sievers which only give the passing of the pulps or all the precipitate of the seeds to be stay back in the sievers. And that's all. Sugar is up to you, as per your taste you can add or you can increase and decrease. And of course the ripeness of the wooden apple bale is very important. You have to select right wooden apple. I am lucky, I got very good wooden apple, and now my delicious drink is ready. Cheers, enjoy the summer, and see you for another good healthy drinks video. And please subscribe my channel and keep appreciating my things. If you have any comments, please do so, and check the descriptions for the more details. Thanks for watching. See you soon.